In this video, you'll learn how to create a PayPal donate button in WordPress. This process will enable you to easily accept donations directly through your website, which can be especially useful for nonprofits, creators, or anyone seeking financial support for their projects. Begin by navigating to WordPress.com. Open your web browser and enter the URL for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, you will see the home page with various options related to WordPress services. Look for the Sites link at the top of the page and click on it to proceed to the next step. After accessing the Sites section, you will see a list of your existing WordPress sites. Identify the site for which you want to create the PayPal donate button. Click on the site name to enter its management area. This action will redirect you to the dashboard for that specific site, where you can manage various aspects of your website. Next, locate the close button, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this will close any current editing sessions and bring you back to the main dashboard. You should see a clean interface that allows you to choose options for site customization. This is an important step to ensure you're in the right area for adding new features. Once the dashboard is open, look for the option labeled WordPress AI. This feature can assist you in adding different elements to your site. Click on WordPress AI to access the tools that will help you with creating the PayPal donate button. The interface will change slightly to present you with various suggestions and tools. Now type in the phrase "create a PayPal donate button" in WordPress into the search bar that appears on the screen. This will prompt WordPress AI to provide specific guides and options related to your query. After entering the text, you will likely see a list of results or suggestions below the search bar. After the suggestions appear, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will execute the search, and you should receive a list of relevant articles or tools that can help you create your donate button. Take a moment to review the options presented to ensure you find the most suitable one for your needs. Next, you will need to input your PayPal account details. Type in your account information as prompted. It is crucial to ensure that your account is correctly linked to avoid any issues with processing donations. After entering the details, click Enter again to confirm the information and proceed to the next step. You have now successfully navigated through the process of creating a PayPal donate button in WordPress. This feature will allow you to accept donations seamlessly. Make sure to review your site after setting up the button to ensure it appears correctly and functions as intended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.